Hello everyone, this is Anshuman Maurya, member of Software Development Group, COPS IITBHU. I welcome you all to yet another video of our Django learning series. In the last video, we learned how to create our models and define their attributes. In this video, we shall work with the admin side and how to customize it and then use it to update the data used in our site. So let's jump to the code. In the previous video, we defined this models.py file and created three of our models, namely book model, book copy model, and the book rating model. Then we created this admin.py file where we imported these models and registered them to our admin site. So let's take a look on our current admin site. To log in to the admin site, you need to be a super user. So let's create one. Make sure that you are in your virtual environment. Then type this command python manage.py create superuser. It will ask you to provide a username. I'll go with Anshuman here. It will then ask you to enter an email address. This is an optional field and I'll skip it for now. Then provide a suitable password. Confirm the password. And done. A super user is created. So let's take a look on our admin site. Now enter any browser of your choice and go to localhost 8000/admin. Now enter the credential of the super user we just created. As you can see, this is the basic admin site. All of our models are listed here. Let's move to the books model. Currently, there is no data available here. So I have some mock data already prepared with me. Let's add a book. Add a title. Add the author name. Add the description. Add the price and the rating. Now click on the save button. As you can see, this book is now added. I'll move to the part where all the data has been added now. So I have added data for these 5 books. As you can see, only the book title and the author name is visible here. To view all the properties, we have to click it. If any property has to be updated, it has to be updated from here. However, the user experience is not that friendly. So let's customize it. Firstly, we have to comment out this old code. Secondly, we can create a customization class for our models. Let's create a customization class for our books model, calling it book admin. Now I want that apart from the book title and the author name, some more properties should be visible on the model homepage. We can specify this using the list display property. Now apart from the title and author name, genre, rating and MRP would also be visible here. Secondly, that I want that only the title should be clickable. We can do this by updating this property of list display links. Third, I can create a custom search bar where I can specify these fields. For this model, I will specify the fields of title, author, genre and rating. Fourth, I can also create a custom filter where the fields can be specified using this list filter attribute. For this model, I will use the fields of genre and rating. And the last one, I want that some properties should be editable from the model homepage only. For this, I can create this list editable property, providing the fields of genre, rating and MRP. At the last, I have to register this model to our admin site. This is the syntax for registering a model with its customization class. Similarly, we can also carry out this syntax with our remaining models. The properties specified here can be updated as per to our needs. Make sure to save the file. Now let us refresh our admin site. Now as you can see, apart from the title and author name, we also have genre, rating and MRP visible here. We can edit all these properties from here only. We have this custom search bar and we also have this filter created for us. Let's give this search bar a try. Now if I enter the field of romance here and do a custom search, the book The Fault in Our Star pops up. As you can see, the genre has been specified as romance. Similarly, if I provide the word thrill here and do a custom search, the man in the brown suit pops up. If we view its property, we can see that the word thrill has been used in its description. So our custom search bar works perfectly. Now we can also test this filter one. If I select all the books which have the genre of fiction, the two books pop up. We can see that both of their genre have been described as fiction. So our filter also works perfectly. Now we can also change the way the whole admin site looks. That is, we can also customize the CSS. For this, create a templates folder in the root directory. Now create a subfolder named as admin. To create a file known as basesite.html inside the admin folder. Secondly, inside the local library folder, create a static directory. Create a subfolder known as CSS and add a file known as admin.css. Secondly, some changes would have to be made in the settings.py file of the local library folder. Now move to the part and import OS. Secondly, scroll down inside the templates attribute, update this dirts property, adding the templates folder we just created. Move down to the bottom. The configuration related to static things would be defined here. We would have to define the static root and the static files dir we just created here. So static root would be then static files dirs would be that's all. Please make sure to add a comma at the end. Now save the file. Then move on to admin.css file. Firstly, we customize the header of the admin site. We also customize the captions present in it. Now move on to basesite.html. Now follow the changes as I am going to do. First, we extend the original admin.html file which is self-created in Django. Secondly, we load the static file folder. We open up this block branding and we customize the h1 tag, that is the heading of the admin site, which is going to be the local library, which is the name of our site. Now end this block and connect the CSS file we just defined. Now end this block too. Now save the file. Let's go and review this admin site now. As you can see, the admin site has been customized. The header color has now been changed to black, and this caption color has also been changed. In this, we have only customized the header and the captions, but there is a lot more that can be customized using the admin.css file. With this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.